No bet me.
You fool me.
Activate or inactive Go TV decoder no. Anytime be out pay be. Yeah, so very connected. Entertainment we now baba there. From as low as 22 Ghana cedis using my Go TV app. Or you can visit any Go TV dealer. Terms and conditions apply. Go TV. Live it, love it. I feel baby I do know. Yeah, the fella air bro, and then Thursday. So we're gonna speak English, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do on Thursdays. And we activate the phone lines for you to call us as well. So numbers to call 0302216561, 0302216562. If there's any issue that you want us to delve into the more for you, you can call us and tell us about it, you know what I'm saying? In the meantime, a happy birthday going out to Antoinette of Bronze in the United States of America. This one's coming from Mr. John Adams of Connecticut, also in the United States of America. Do we have our first call on the line? Hey, Mommy Boats, good evening.
Good evening,
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm feeling super
duper. It's your guy's birthday today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah,
you
Chief
know
African.
we went to celebrate him this morning.
Oh, really?
Oh, you haven't seen it?
I wasn't around though.
Okay,
I was roaming.
So I'm going to show our viewers the video.
Okay.
Yeah, so that they can see how we surprised African this morning.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful surprise, you know.
Oh, okay.
You know how we do it. We do it large and big. If you are daring us, go watch the video.
Okay, so the video is on Facebook now, right?
Yeah.
All right, so guys, you can log on to Facebook now. I mean, check the video out. It's on our page, Adom 106.3 FM. And then just, okay, so this is what actually happened. For those of you who are not on Facebook to, watch it yourself, just listen. Just take a listen, yeah? Listen to it. Listen to this. Who was the trumpeter? Charlie, the way they blow the happy birthday, that's all we know.
But did you see the way the guy was carrying? I don't know if it's a cake.
Oh man, Charlie.
It's a cake. I just the way it's being carried.
Yeah. Anyway, so the video is still rolling.
Let us rest our case.
The video is still rolling on Facebook. Oh my goodness.
African, we are sorry.
Anyways, do we have a call on the line?
Brad Jerry,
yes.
Before you pick your first call, you know how we do it on Thursday.
Sure.
We are giving our listeners the chance to ask us questions, but then we are also asking a question. Okay, so today's question is that will you wash your lady's underwear? Your girlfriend, will you wash her underwear?
Why not? On condition. Okay. Probably she's not feeling well, and I mean, I can't.
But your girlfriend will wash your underwear even when you're not. Even when you are well.
Usually, it's like it's not a man's job, like to do that kind of thing, you know. No. It's been part of their duties for ages. You know what I'm saying? But for me, if my wife is not feeling well, and I need to take care of her.
The way you are saying the thing,
I will do it. Oh, come on, wash it. I mean,
it's as if you are thinking about it.
It will not take my bride away. You know what I'm saying? I will just dry it, and then when it's well dried, we'll go for it.
Okay, so
and then place it at where she places her
panties. Okay. So let's leave the question to our listeners.
All right. So first caller, hello, good evening.
Yeah, my brother Jerry.
Yeah, what's the name? Where you calling from?
Mosquito, Ghana.
All right, so Mosquito, we are listening to you. Is there any issue?
Yeah, I want to know how far everybody. I'm not hearing from nowadays at the morning show sports.
He's there. Eric is there. Eric is around.
Eric is very
he's
around.
Man, so if I hear now, I always meet up in the morning.
Kejua is there. You hear from him, don't worry.
Okay.
I think, sir, even tomorrow morning on Adom TV, he's going to be doing the sports.
Oh, okay,
yes.
okay.
So you can follow him.
So make a date with him, tomorrow morning on Adom TV. Yeah. Next caller. Hello, good evening. Sorry about that. Let's try one more time and see if it works. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
Boss, what's your name? Where are you calling from?
I'm Fifi from Sewa.
All right, Fifi, we're listening to you.
Oh, yeah, I just want to check out for you guys if you guys are doing,
Come again. You said you want to do what?
Pressure.
I just want to check out for you guys if you are.
Hey.
Oh, okay, fine. Thanks for checking on us. We are good. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so we are good. We're doing fine. Hope you're doing good too.
Yeah, I'm straight.
Oh, okay. So it's great, eh? Check into the downstairs, okay?
All right, thanks for the call. Let's move on. Next caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Boss, what's the name?
Yeah, brother, this is the only Boate come to you.
Okay, Boate, we are listening to you.
Oh, brother, just I want to say, where's Songo Day?
What?
Songo.
Countryman?
Yeah, countryman.
He's around.
I sure.
Oh, yeah. Only was it yesterday or 3 days ago? He had an interview with the sports minister.
Yes.
He's around.
On fire.
Okay. Yes, I want to.
Hey, guys.
Please
anyway.
ask this question. Will you wear
Okay. So would you wash your wife's or girlfriend's underwear?
Yes, I'll do.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I think
All
he's
right.
been doing it.
Yeah, with more of him. Yeah. All right. Thanks so much for your call. Let's move on. Next caller. Hello. Good evening. Yes. Vic.
But I mentioned FM.
Big voice here. Anyway.
I'm calling from Kanesi.
Okay. All right. So you are our last caller. Let's hear you.
Gradually.
Yes.
You know what?
I don't know what.
It's condition.
It's
if
condition.
the person is not feeling well, you the guy, you have to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. So all the guys who are saying you not wash it. As for the dross, you can take it off, eh? Taking it off is cool. But washing it, you don't want to wash it.
Okay, so
God punish you all.
It's been nice with you and your listeners. My name is Mami Boatuma, the Fantador, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. I'm out.
All right. That's what it is. Coming up is the news at 6. I trust you there, Band-Aid. Ade obi someone pressure mo di we mo tun boss na time mo so yo. Sure. Shouts going out to you Sandy Asiedu. Kwabna your love. Bibi aboko dear minia. And today happens to be your birthday. Yes, and the pounds. That guy is a great guy, yeah? Former student of our AUCC. Bro, happy birthday to you. Live long, yeah? And enjoy the blessings of the Lord. Be good and have a good one today. And happy birthday, darling. And knowing you is the best thing ever. Will never trade your love for anything on this world. May all your secret prayers be answered. I love you, big bro, African. And this one's coming from Priscilla of Fabia. Hey, Adom. Love the inside. Chief African. Yo. In the next 3 minutes, it's going to be news time. Now, when you take a bonnet brain, I have trouble tenting. And I'm my contact. I job out for you. I trust the boko. January Cassiabono. Naked. Someone they burn, you know when they buy. Warriors, yeah. Timanin Kosunda, Adom 106.3 FM. Now, dear Connie, dear Banina. Aha, now be general. Would do any chair by before Friday. I should be a shibruta. Now, first, that can say my war, any war. Yame Eshamuna, someone here tonight. If we are no me and some bring Bepim Sabria, a Cassima baby, Unifana, Nuncia Abu.